Look at Poppy Show. Wagwan people, welcome back to another episode of Poppy Show.
Boom!
Alright people, so you don't know, I just came back from Jamaica and I brought back some old pictures when I was living in Jamaica before migrating to the States. So I haven't shown them to my husband, so I'm very curious to see how he's going to react to some of these pictures, because him love Guan like say, me say, I was nothing when growing up. Him would have looked upon me when I was growing up, and them going country girl and my town boy, and him going like, So let's see his reaction to these pictures, and you better be nice, like seriously.
I'm gonna do my best. But guys, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Make sure you want to thumbs up that video, okay?
And maybe try and get us to like 2,000 subscribers.
There we go,
All
2,000
right.
subscribers. All right, so Oni, kick off the first picture then. Let me see what I'm going.
All right, so that's the first picture, guys. I believe that picture, I was 13 or 14 years old on that picture. And that's the biggest plastic smile I've ever seen. But what do you guys think of that picture? Size, what do you think of that picture? Who is that?
It's Mom.
That's Mom?
IJ, what did you think of that
Okay.
picture, IJ?
Was I cute, IJ? Would you say I'm cute?
This is tough.
That's tough. That's okay.
Take your hands out.
Just be honest.
Definitely honest.
You think you like that picture of Mom?
Yeah, I like it a little bit.
Yeah, that picture yesterday that way. But now, like, how much is it was?
I was about 13 or 14.
13. Wow. Why I don't know what I'm going
Look at my outfit. My outfit nice. I remember, I think my
No
mom...
man, when about that time on the outfit this one?
What do you mean?
No, not the outfit.
My outfit nice. What you talk about? That was, back then they used to call that a gosha.
A gosha.
Yeah, and so you buy the material, guys, and then you take it to the dressmaker and tell them how you want your outfit to look. And that was my outfit for the summer.
Yo,
I think I was looking fly. And my hair was leisure curl. So, yes.
No, so this the one yeah.
Probably didn't want it to gel, but I think it's cute.
Little gel.
Yeah,
That one
my
enough
hair
gel.
look a bit dry. They should still.
That one enough gel, man. That drier than one dessert.
All right, so that one, AJ, what was
graduation
I doing
picture?
there?
You were graduating?
Yeah, that was when I graduated from high school.
Wait, so now you went to college?
After, but that was high school.
Yeah. No, that's alright, man. For high school, you kind of mark about. But yeah, do your thing. Graduation, ear bang down and beer
Yeah, so my
sitting.
ear cute, my nails done. I think I was looking
I
fly.
don't know about the cute thing, but
I think I was looking fly on my
Don't
graduation.
know.
Excuse me, Mom?
Okay, what you gotta
What do you say, AJ?
So, with the eyebrows, you don't look that, pretty enough like that.
The eyebrows? You don't like the eyebrows?
No.
My eyebrows are looking nice there.
No, they don't.
Okay, all right.
Next picture.
Next picture.
me?
Okay, look, who is that?
Let's say you look like one boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of look a little tomboyish there, huh? But that's me and my grandma. May her soul rest in peace. Mama, I love you. But I don't know what was going on that day. Why I... yeah.
So on the day, you feel like you're cute?
Maybe not on that day, but I was in the yard. I wasn't going anywhere.
You're right, you couldn't go nowhere, look so.
And then I used to ride... No, but see, I used to ride a lot of bicycles. So I guess it was more convenient to ride in my shorts.
Look how mom look.
Zion.
The outfit.
You like the outfit?
Not really, because it kind of looks like a boy outfit.
Yeah, that looks like a boy.
All right.
Alright, next
move on.
picture.
All right, so that one. Who remember those phones?
Excuse pass my cellular phone.
Yo, them time they know.
That what them used to call the fridge?
Them used to call that
Yeah man, them there.
Osanland.
House and land.
Yeah, in the country we call it Osanland or fridge too. But yo, them time if you don't have a flip phone, you're not saying nothing. I was one of the first girls on my street to have a flip phone. Remember that. And them time there, me I ride my bicycle, I'ma have my fridge phone on my bar, and you can't talk to me. I ride, and me I talk on my phone like, yo, you're serious, I'm a Mercedes, me I drive, you know. So, just love my picture, yeah?
No, this, that.
Just love my picture. What you
Yeah,
think?
they kind of look cute, but the phone thing, I don't know.
Oh, you kind of look like a security kid.
I look like a security?
Yeah, like a security, like.
And the outfit is kind of like you would go on a date or something.
Like she's going on a date?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So the phone look like them walkie-talkie, right, AJ? That security carries, yeah?
Oh.
Straight.
IJ, them time there, if you not have one of that, you're not saying nothing. Trust me.
Straight.
Alright, let's move on to the next picture.
What is even?
Oh, which place is that? Egypt?
Alright. Yeah, that's when I visited Egypt. But that picture, I was going to,
On your legs are going still.
trust me, some of that, don't I? Belly skin are show one thing, but I remember that picture. I was going to a school match, or what do you call it? You know, the
School match?
Costa Cup football match. Yeah, so of course I had to represent for my school yellow, because you know we wore yellow.
Straight.
So,
AJ,
yeah.
what do you think of that? You like how mom look in that picture?
I think I look hot.
But only you look tall, listen.
Man, I don't know what happened. I be looking all tall on all these pictures, and
I treated Marga. When you're Marga, you look tall.
Because I swear I was gonna be tall, you know.
AJ, what do you think of that one, bro? Would you like a girl like that for your girlfriend?
Yes, please.
You would like a girl like that for your girlfriend?
Obviously, yes.
What?
Wow.
You like?
Age.
You like?
Aww.
Hey, alright,
So why that I want like some picture them to look nice?
AJ, come in the mic.
Eh? Alright.
AJ, you like them skinny girls?
I just look like I'm like skinny
Well,
girls.
well, Mom-
Alright. What?
Mom looks skinny and it looked like at that age, but now she looks a bit frumpy.
Thank you, Age.
Alright, next
I
picture.
like
All
how
right.
you look there.
Okay, next picture. How about me?
Whoa. Yo, you're gonna talk to me. I believe I was about 18. No, I think I was 19. I was 19 on that picture. Yes.
But only me not lie.
You call me cute.
I thought the young and the breastless.
My belly flat. Young and the what? The
Young and-
breastless?
Yeah.
That's not nice. Whatever.
Yo, AJ.
But it's still cute.
What about
breast
that
or
one?
no breast, but it's still cute.
I wonder kinda. You like them long? Yeah, you have some long. Them time they look like a model type. You know what I mean? Like more like a
I
model.
was hot. What are you talking about?
Yeah, if you like slim girl, yeah, she'd have go on her thing in the slim as this back in the time.
You still not feeling?
Oh, mommy,
So if you saw me, if you were passing by and saw me sitting there, would you have not said something to me? If you had known me
that
then?
telephone move out of the way. Let me pass. Oh, you know, so the slim thing on me. The slim thing on me, you know, really. Ajay, what do you think of that one?
Look.
Does that one look good? Ajay, I think you like slim girls, do you?
What?
You like slim girls?
Who said that?
But moms look slim and you said you would like her to be your girlfriend.
I never said
That's what you said on the first one, didn't you?
How
the
about me?
first time.
This one.
No, I didn't.
How about me?
Wow.
All right. So what do you say about that picture?
Why when you come like picture make it from bad to worse? Why never put the ugly one them first?
Okay, but what do you notice about that picture?
So you're stressed out? You
What
have two
else?
different foot of shoes?
Two different for the
Yeah.
yo, them time them. My thing out. My thing out. Yo, me never know, I'm confused when I know what to put on. So I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm just gonna put on two different shoe to take this picture, and I think it looked nice.
What do you think, AJ?
Tell me you'll figure them time there.
He
Yo.
looks UGLY.
I look what?
UGLY.
I look ugly there? Wow.
Well,
So you just sit on the
Where
side?
I was closed and then this eye was barely opened.
Only that one you lame, man. Really?
I think it's cute.
What do you think?
This one now.
No, so.
This one.
This one.
Alright, so
That's fucking
no, tell me no. that was a new dress I had on, right? Look at the tag on the back. The man
Tag
not even
pan
tell me
back.
that the tag still there on the back of the dress. Mister, it was after I got the picture and I said, oh my god, I didn't remember to remove the tag.
AJ, what do you think of this one, AJ?
It looks pretty nice.
You like that one?
Yeah, I was 19 on that picture.
AJ, you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I was
looks
19.
pretty nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a cute dress.
Alright, AJ said that one
I'm
looks
not
good.
sure what you think about it.
All right, there's a better version of the same outfit that we just looked at. Like I said, I had so many shoes and stuff, I didn't know what to put on. So
we
I
not sure
tried
what-
it with the slippers,
Are
with
we-
the sandals.
Are we not sure when about?
Wait,
But then I look with something, man.
why do you look so cool?
Look at the man take it off with the tag.
Whatever.
Oh,
What do you say, Ige?
why do you look so cool in that picture?
She
I
looks
look
cool in that
huh?
picture.
Yeah,
I
you look
think that's a
Why
cute
you cool?
picture.
probably like a pro. or
It's
something.
okay.
Oh, okay.
I look cute?
AJ said you look cute in that one. Next picture.
All right.
Wait,
You see that picture, you know? You see that picture?
Honey,
Let me tell you something. You see that outfit there?
no man.
I downtown, I go buy my outfit. You can't tell me nothing.
But a man clothes that.
What kind of man clothes?
that
You're a
looks
fool, man. That time you couldn't tell me nothing. It was Christmas. I'm gonna go downtown, go buy my filler. I'm a green jeans. I'm a that picture there that go hard.
that looks like.
Oh, you look like something different that one a country. Cause trust me, if this a go hard a country,
Answer.
What?
we don't know what is.
AJ, what you think?
AJ, you like that outfit?
Actually, that looks like something Jenna would have.
Oh,
Janelle would have that?
Janelle.
That's lame, bro.
AJ.
Doesn't that look like
That's
a
how
boy
Janelle
outfit?
would dress?
Maybe.
That looks like a man. Or that look like you
my
just
God.
I just come like you dress up in your boyfriend clothes.
Really?
Of course, that's lame, man.
I'm a new
Yo,
outfit,
guys,
though.
check out that one, yeah. Specifically that one, yeah, and
Me
tell
did
me what you
like
think about
it.
this.
Me
This
did
is
like
lame.
it. Whatever.
No, sir. So you could you should have called to me and them outfit, yeah. You're mad.
Really?
Negative. Next.
All right.
Wait.
That one.
Wait, you look really bald.
Yeah, because my hair, I had my hair in one and I had pasted down with like gel. But I don't really like that picture. Excuse me. I don't really like that picture. My eyebrows looks too weird. It looked bushy and scattered.
Yeah, you're
And back
right.
them time, you know, whenever I used to cut eyebrows and things, so. You
So-
know.
But your eyes a little red. That's a little red.
Wow.
What do you think, babe?
No, sir, them picture you look like a little tomboy vibes. Like she was a little tomboy back in the day.
Hey, Dad.
Well, I guess I had a little mixture.
Dad.
I don't know.
Dad.
Yeah.
AJ, you like this one?
Well,
Hold on.
I wouldn't.
Alright, hold on.
No, I don't. The hair.
Alright, we'll move on.
I don't
'cause
like
you guys.
Alright, AJ, what do you think of this one?
Now Mom truly looks like a boy.
I look like a boy there?
Oh, the whole of them picture
Yeah.
are lame. Pure boy vibes.
Guys, what is lame about that? I have on what do you call it? That's not really a legging, but like a tights type deal.
Right.
And a nice to the top, and I had my hair shiny bumped. Like,
This look at the struggle is real.
You guys look like Zan.
I think I was 18, 19 on that one.
18, 19.
Not sure about the slippers though. I don't
I'm
know.
not sure about nothing.
I like that. The outfit look alright. It's just the shoes probably.
No, sir.
Yeah, probably could have done better with the shoes, but
This not
still
happen.
like it. Whatever.
This not happen, money.
How do you even like
Alright,
that
next picture.
Mom,
Alright. What?
Yeah.
You don't like that one?
Yeah,
I like it. I like
You
it.
like it?
You like that
you,
idea?
Zai.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
What about it you
No,
like?
sir.
I was really skinny though.
Not like I say, sir.
And that's the
Like I say, oh, big up yourself. I go like too much boy vibes on you,
I
man.
don't know where me get the belt there from.
Where you get the work clothes from?
That's not even a boy. That's not even like a boy clothes.
I think I'm
What?
cute.
Look at the jeans.
That the jeans are clearly almost like.
Like a boy jeans.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not a boy jeans.
Almost
Look
like.
at only and them
Wait,
maga.
I know what the jeans look like.
What?
A baby jeans.
You're crazy.
Alright, next picture.
Okay, so this picture was when that was my first job actually. I was working as a hotel receptionist and reservationist.
Ajay, what do you think? You like that one?
I like it.
Well, first I was
You
gonna
like it?
say, why does she look like like she first started her first career?
Yeah, that was my first job.
Yeah, that's alright, man. You look
Working in
like
a hotel.
like
Looking all nice
a
with
professional.
I was wearing my stockings and my nice black shoes and got my nails done. I got my watch going, my hairstyle popping. What?
See that show you watched your hands deliberately?
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah,
Mom, I have one question.
What's the question?
Like, did they give you that dress or did you buy it?
No, I had to buy the material and then I take it to a dressmaker and they make it.
Oh, she
Yeah.
buying, yeah.
So that was my cute outfit.
You know when they could have gone, them time you start look like a nice lady. Next one.
All right. Last but not least, this is one of my favorite. Boom.
Me.
A boy vibe again.
No, me.
Boy vibe.
Me.
You like that one?
The shirt looks like
Zion likes
the
it.
shirts are
Mommy,
but
this is.
Well,
only them shoes that lame man and you could have old ugly shoes in there but
No, but a woman could have found at the time though.
Mom,
what do you mean fine? Fine in your house or fine for buy?
Really?
What do you mean you buy fine?
No, like that's all I could find to buy.
Mom, why does it look like every other picture we saw was it literally looked like almost the same shoes every time.
No. Look how much shoes. No, IJ, that's a lie.
Where you wear the shoes that like?
Look how much shoes I have. How much picture over there? So when we wear the same shoes.
I don't know.
I lie no I tell. I didn't have up my shoes them, so don't play. I didn't have my clothes them. I didn't have my
Only
shoes.
overall, you just say back in them time they did hot.
I did hot.
Seriously?
I did hot.
AJ, hot or not?
Why is it hot?
Not.
What?
Alright guys. So you
gosh.
wanna tell me what wanna feel about them pictures because yo trust me, I don't know what I'm going but them I did lame. I think majority except the one where she start her job and another pink outfit fit. Otherwise from that man them thing she couldn't call it general back in them
I
time.
lie you tell.
You can't call it but me not answer. She could have called him but me not answer Rasta.
Honey, for real?
Honey,
Well, first of all, I wouldn't call to you. You would have called to
you
me.
never been
because
like a
you
friend.
called to man. Whatever.
should have been my little friend.
Oh, this is a nice video.
Yeah, I know, right? So guys,
This video?
this was fun. Reaction to Latoya photos. So leave us some comments, let us know what y'all think.
And be nice, guys. Be nice with your comments.
If we don't like them, we don't have to be nice and just be honest.
Be nice with the
Cause she
comments.
talk about them hot and she tell them to be nice.
Be nice.
And hope you enjoyed the video.
There we go. We hope you enjoyed the video and until next time, we are out, okay? Peace.
Say peace, Zion.
Peace.
Say bye, guys.
Bye guys.